Hi everyone, my name is Prakash Misra. I am intern in the Spark Foundation at the position of Data Science and Business Analytics in Group June 21. Our first task is predict the percentage of an student based on the number of study hours. For this, we have imported all the libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, then import dataset. Using pandas, we have read our CSV file, then dataset imported, and we have determined all the values of our dataset like max, mean, standard deviation, minimum, all the values. And we have plotted our data. This graph shows number of study hours versus number of percentage marks that any student is achieving. Now we are preparing our dataset for training and testing. For this we have used linear regression. First we have to train our data, then pl- we have plotted our data. Now we will visualize actual and predicted values to check accuracy of our algorithm. This plot shows actual values versus predicted values. Using actual values and predicted values, we have compare our dataset to checking error, and this dataset is also important to predict machine learning algorithm. Now let us assume a situation where a student studies 9.2 hours per day. Then the predicted score or percentage is 96.01. Now we evaluate the model. For this we will determine mean square error. The mean square error in our dataset is 5.93. Hence our first task will have completed. Thank you.